Hey everybody, my name's Sal from DPI Visual, and today I'm going to show you the easy way to install a vinyl decal onto a car door. Alright, so we're going to start with the tools, and then once I've shown you the tools, we'll go ahead and get right on into it. What we're going to need is a squeegee, a ruler, you're going to need tape, and you're going to need a rag, a microfiber rag, and some isopropyl alcohol. So I spray it onto the rag. Give it a bit of a clean, ensuring it's nice and clean and ready to go. All right, so the next part we're going to need is the tape. I like to rip a couple of tabs off the tape and place that on the vehicle. 3 should do it. Then I'll get the sticker, and I like to give the sticker a bit of a wipe because being on the floor there, I could have picked up dust or contaminants. Okay, so we position the sticker onto the vehicle and we just temporarily use these tabs, these pieces of tape to put it on there. We like to call this a hinge because it's a bit of a hinge. Okay, and we get the ruler now and we choose somewhere off the car we want to make the sticker level to. So 110 and 105. Okay, let's bring this up a little bit. Oh, a bit higher, 115. Let's go down a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to put the remaining sticky tape tab down. We lift this up and we very carefully peel it halfway. Okay, and then we pick up our squeegee, and we basically start applying from the center out. Press nice and firm, center out, all the way, keep going. Okay, peel that back a little bit more, and if you want, you can peel it all the way off, and then center out. All right, so the sticker's on, ready to peel it. Remove the tape first. Now we're going to remove the application tape. And it is perfect. No bubbles. Went on nice and easy. Hey everyone, if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button below and subscribe for more how-to videos. I'll see you in the next one.